DIY Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. This is a WW friendly recipe. So the first step is to marinate your chicken breast. I put it in the empty jar of pickle juice for the night, but some recipes recommend 30 minutes. I just wanted that extra added flavor. Then I cut the chicken breast up into nugget-sized pieces. So far we have 0 smart points for the chicken, 0 smart points for the eggs, and we use such a little amount of milk, it's 0 smart points on blue. So once you're done cutting your chicken breast into nugget-sized pieces, you're going to put it in a bath of milk and egg. For my bowl, I used 2 eggs and a splash of milk, but for this one breast, you could probably get away with using 1 egg with a splash of milk. Then I dipped the egg-coated pieces in a bowl of flour mixed with the seasonings you see there. It's just Trader Joe's seasoning salt, garlic powder, and paprika. And you're going to do your second layer here. So once you got your first coating of egg and flour, you're going to put them back in the egg mixture for their second coating. And then, like I said, back into the flour mixture. At this point, I kind of had a lot of flour and egg sticking to my hands, so a lot of people recommend using one hand for the wet ingredients and one hand for the dry ingredients. I did not follow that, and I kind of regretted that I did at this point. So the only points in the flour mixture is the flour itself, and I counted for 1/8 a cup of all-purpose flour, which I think I'm being very liberal with. It's probably even less than that, but that's 2 smart points on blue. So I did 2 batches of nuggets. You can do them all at once. It's whatever you prefer. So I just repeated the same process with egg mixture, flour, back in the egg mixture, and then flour again. At the end, I was starting to run out of flour, so I would recommend using probably like 1 cup to 1.5 cups just to make sure you have enough. So I just sprayed my air fryer with a little bit of Pam to prevent them from sticking. And then I put a single layer of the coated chicken nuggets. Amazingly, if I counted correctly, I got about 17 chicken nuggets from 1 chicken breast. To cook them, I put them in my air fryer at 400 degrees for 7 minutes. They may need a few minutes longer depending on your fryer. And here's your beautiful result, the Chick-fil-A chicken nugget dupe. I happen to have some Chick-fil-A sauce on hand, but you could also use the Great Value or Kroger brand dupe sauce. I've heard they're pretty comparable to the Chick-fil-A sauce. I counted 6 nuggets as 2 smart points. Thanks for watching.